dance is called Stomp 2, 3, 4. It's 32 count, 4 balls. It's an improver level line dance. There's no tag and no restart for this dance. Let me show you section 1. Section 1 starts with your right foot. Walk right forward. Walk left forward. Do a right mambo. Rock, recover back. Step your left back and your right back. Do a left coaster. Back together forward. Section 1 with a count. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Section 2, B step. Out, out, in, in. Step your right diagonal. Step left next to right. Step your right diagonal again. And tap left next to right twice. Step, tap. Section 2 with a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Section 3. Step your left diagonal back. Touch right next to left with a clap. And step your right diagonal back. Touch left next to right with a clap. Make a quarter turn to your left, stepping your left a quarter. Do 3 pedal turn to make a half turn to the left. Pedal, pedal and pedal. Section 3 with a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last section. Rock right, recover on left. Rock, recover. Do a back coaster with your right. Back together, forward. Heel switches on the left. Heel, return. Right, right, return. Heel, return. And stomp your right. Stomp. Weight remaining on the left. So section 4 with the count. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. And you end the dance here. Let me go through the dance from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8.